This time, remember, with the statement coming in that while we were expecting Arvind Kejriwal to give out his first statement after Gopal Rai on what the Supreme Court has said, no statement, no comment, no reaction on that. But on Safai Karmcharis, and this, remember, is a dire situation. It's not that a supporter of an Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP is suffering from the pollution. It's irrespective. It's all politicians. It's as much netas associated with the BJP or government at the centre as of the Aam Aadmi Party. And yet they bicker, they're fighting with each other rather than decide on a proper policy. Emergency measures have been announced by the Delhi government. They have said they will abide by the Supreme Court, which is that odd even doesn't look like it will do much. It's just optics. But there needs to be much more that needs to be done, which is at least stop the stubble burning for now, right away, in Punjab or in any other area, even if it's happening in Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. But for now, that the Chief Minister has spoken. We were expecting a word on the court words, but nothing on that at all. A different topic with regard to how the Safai Karmcharis have been taken care of and cleanliness has improved in the national capital, Delhi. But at a time when the air is polluted, when the water is polluted, can cleanliness really benefit as a resident of national capital, Delhi? And this time, remember that there are continued incidents of stubble burning that's being reported. And if an official goes to stop them or tries to file an FIR, it's the official who's then forced to burn the stubble as well by the farmers in Punjab. So the situation definitely is escalating. Tensions are prevailing even in the state of Punjab. For now, we listen in again to what other ministers, for example, Environment Minister of Delhi had to say. But it is primarily at this point the court taking very clear cognizance that there is Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, the same Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab, and yet the approach doesn't seem to be really working with regard to pollution. Amit Bhardwaj is joining me on the latest on that. Amit, we were expecting, like Gopal Rai did, Kejriwal will also speak as the Chief Minister, as the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, but no reaction yet. Are they planning to sit with the netas of or the members of parliament or the leaders of the BJP or the centre or Haryana or Uttar Pradesh, or is it just going to be political bickering for now?
Well, Pooja, in the past week, what we have seen is that Delhi government has been constantly asking questions about the role of the central government and asking that the NCR state needs to sit together on the table and take up their responsibilities. And now, while on one side the Supreme Court has wrapped up the Delhi government, Punjab government on the issue of pollution, parali, stubble burning. On the other side, if you speak to the sources within the Delhi government led by Aam Aadmi Party, they are at least happy on the aspect that through the Supreme Court observations, at least now the NCR states will have to sit together, the centre will have to convene that meeting, and be it the chief secretaries or the senior officials of respective states of the NCR zone, that is Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, UP, all of these officials will have to sit together and go ahead with the observation that has been made by the Supreme Court. So that way, there's some sort of sug of relief, despite the fact that they have been wrapped up by the Supreme Court on the issue of pollution and stubble burning happening in Punjab, because of which Delhi and NCR region is choking right now. That aspect is also important, Pooja, because they're saying that, see, look, in Punjab, we have managed to reduce parali stubble burning almost by 50%. And in Delhi, there are very strict measures, harsh measures, which is being taken by the government to reduce the pollution level in the national capital. But, the situation, the problem is of air set, which means that even districts or areas such as Noida, Greater Noida, Palwal, Faridabad, Gurgaon, Sonipat for that matter, all these areas are impacted unless and until the state governments, that is Haryana, UP, don't take measures, strict measures, put in similar curbs like the Delhi government. The situation is not
going to come down. It has to be
collective,
and it's just shocking that the netas are busy getting creative on posters rather than on policies. That should have been their job. That's why they're there. That's why we elect them.